my sweet cakes, and welcome to Auntie Nellie's Kitchen. This is an easy bake moment. We are going to make sugar cookie dough. So, to start off, you're going to need a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. First, we're going to cream the butter and the sugar together until it's nice and fluffy. Then you want to add your egg and your vanilla on a low speed. You can add your dry ingredients, your salt, your baking soda, and finally your flour. When your dough is finally mixed, you can roll it up into a ball and cover it with saran wrap. And then you want to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to chill, or you can keep it up to 3 days. And that's it for this easy bake moment. See you next time, my sweet cakes.